Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the notifications in the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Carlist.my app. On the bottom in the menu bar you can see the profile icon. Tap on your profile and here you can see the notifications, and next to it this button. If it's blue then it is turned on, and if it's gray you turned off, and you can switch by tapping on it. So it is turned off right now. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.